Greetings to the members of Einstein Research Academy. We are proud to present our product, which is a novel bioplastic developed from seaweeds and one of the most abundant polysaccharide that is available, which is from prawn shell waste. So we live in a generation where plastic pollution needs no introduction. And this very crisis urges us to come up with a sustainable alternative or a sustainable solution. And the solution is the bioplastics. And the novelty lies in the fact that we have blended the crude extracts from seaweed and the prawn waste in unique ratios which has not been previously studied. And we were able to come up with one good formulation which enabled us to form the intact bioplastic sheets. In addition to that, we used rice water for enhancing the transparency, and this material or this component has not been used for this purpose before. And once the materials were collected, we subjected it for extraction of the crude material, which is the carrageenan and the chitin from seaweeds and the prawn shell respectively. So this is how the crude extract looks like from the seaweeds and the chitin flakes from the prawn waste shells. The one best formulation, we try to reinforce with the fiber, and with the fiber it has the highest tensile strength of the remaining bioplastics. And we also tried one more thing, that is we used our own bioplastics and we tried to melt it and reblend it, and we were able to form another good form of bioplastics all over again. So the very bioplastic is recyclable. So this shows the flexibility of the material. As you can see, this looks exactly like the plastic and it has an amazing flexibility. And when we studied the degradation of the material, we were able to find that about 70 to 80% of the material was degraded in about 10 to 12 days, as you can see in this image. And when we tried to study the solubility, it was found that the material is 70 to 80% soluble in just about 24 to 48 hours of time. And when we look into the benefits of the product, now we live in a country which embraces the longest coastline. And if we can tap that potential, we can harness a great amount of seaweeds and also collect the marine waste. And thirdly, we find our gold from the waste material. We are using our raw material from the waste, which is available in tons and tons for free. And all these properties and all these potential enables our product to boost the circular economy of the country. And contribution to the SDG goals, our product boosts the goal number 3, which is good health and well-being. Secondly, the goal number 6, which is clean water and sanitation. Thirdly, it's the goal number 12, which is responsible consumption and production. It reduces dependency upon the fossil fuel-based plastic. And lastly, goal number 15, life on land. Moving towards our initiative, and this is our brand, which is BioVans. So with this initiative, we started few products. And these are some of the products which we developed, such as the book covers and pouches, and these are the rubber bands. So these are some of the products which we developed, and we see a great potential in our product. And we thank the Einstein Research Academy for giving us this wonderful opportunity to present our product in this esteemed platform. Thank you so much.